let's get right into this. The first thing that you need to do is open Safari, Chrome, whatever browser of your choosing, and you need to go to uncover.dev. That's the website where you're going to download the Jailbreak IPA. Once that website loads, you're going to go on and make sure that the device that you're using is within these parameters. You want to make sure that it is within those iOS versions or it will not work. If you accidentally updated, you can use this right here to downgrade to the latest signed version by Apple by selecting your iPhone, iPad, whatever iDevice you have, and the model of that device, and you're going to download that. I might show how to do it in a later video. Once you've got this all figured out, you're going to go on and download uncover.dev's IPA. This is the Jailbreak IPA that you're going to be using with the alt store, which is the next thing that you're going to need to install. Now head over to altstore.io. This is where we actually download the software to put the IPA on your device. You're going to click Mac OS and it's going to install. Go through the installation and then it's going to pop up on the top next to like your Wi-Fi or your AirPlay settings. Make sure that you install the Mail plugin before you choose connected devices. Then go on and click connected devices. If you haven't already, connect your iPhone and then click your iPhone. This is where we pick up on the iDevice. Now that we're on the phone, go on and open up Alt Store. It should be saved to your phone somewhere. Open that and go right to My Apps. Under My Apps, you're going to go ahead and you're going to click the plus button. It's going to be saved differently for you than it is for me, so there's really no point in showing it. But you want to find that same IPA, and then you're going to want to add it. And once you add it, it's going to pop up just next to your alt store or wherever it saves. Then you're going to want to go ahead and hit jailbreak, and your phone will restart. As you can see, we're now in a jailbroken state. I have a moving background, I have themes on my icons, and I have spaces between my icons and my folders. If you want even more very fast tutorials, please remember to like and subscribe.